I wanted to show you the snowflakes. Isn't that pretty? I think that is so pretty. And there's a Suburban and another big tree. Looks like somebody was walking through here. Those are not my shoe prints. Huh. I know that's a bunny. Hi! Are you watching me? I'll be back. But when I was pulling up the bins, I just thought this was so pretty. Isn't that pretty? Hi, La Bella. Hello, La Bella. Isn't that beautiful? I just think it is so pretty. There's a Suburban over there. I just think it's really pretty. The snow falling. I think they're so pretty. Hold on. I might fall. There. There they are. Can you see the snow falling? Probably not. There. Look how big the tree is. Sorry. Hi, Louise! Did you see the trees? Do you see the big tree? I just love these trees. I took the Christmas lights down. Ooh, I have to switch hands. It is very cold. I think that's pretty. That's down the road. And that's down the road that way. The brown building with the brake lights in front of it, that truck, that's the post. And then a couple miles that way is Iowa. That is crazy. But I love the trees. But it's gonna start snowing really bad. Hi, Sandy. Are you guys getting snow like this in Utah? And that's the infamous tree. And up there in the eave is where the gray squirrel lived. Where I say he used to live, because sadly Hello Kitty caught him and brought him to me. Of course, headless. I just love how this tree bows down with the snow. Isn't that beautiful? I'm just filming the snow, Sandy. I just thought it was pretty. You're lucky you're having nice weather, because it is freezing here. See how the branches? I don't know why. I'm just so fascinated the way the snow falls. Isn't it pretty? I'm underneath it right now. But it is so pretty. Thank you, Sandy. They are gorgeous. I don't know why I find beauty in this, but they are so pretty. How big she is. I think I like it because it reminds me of home. I think that's why I like the trees. Because it reminds me of home. I mean, this is a huge tree. If I wasn't sick, I would probably try to climb the tree. Seriously. I would totally climb this tree. Totally. Pudding does. He climbs the one right there and this one. Oh, a squirrel digging up nuts. It's quite the squirrel battle. I don't know. I just think it's so pretty. I should probably go in. I love you too, Sandy. Isn't that beautiful? Do you see? We've had high winds and that snow has stayed there. I just think it's so pretty. Have a beautiful day at work. And let me see. I'm wearing roller lipstick. See how tall, much taller it is than the house? Yeah, I would say she's a big house. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? That is so pretty. Do you see the bumps in her on the trunk? Right there, you can almost see all the way to the top. She's pretty. This is the one I take pictures of the most. Is this one? Okay. I'm gonna go. Happy New Year, everyone. Bye. Whoops.